Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's ASP.NET C# tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert and retrieve data from Oracle database using ASP.NET C# application. First, we'll go through some steps and we'll go through the application and we'll just do the how to insert the data and retrieve from Oracle database. So first step, we create a new ASP.NET web application in Visual Studio. So we need the Visual Studio and Oracle database should be installed in your system or your remote where you are going to connect with the Oracle database, and we will create the pages. So first step, we will create the web application in Visual Studio, then we'll add the Oracle NuGet package to your project. So let me go through the Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio. Go to the files, new, and create. Just select ASP.NET empty website template. I am using the C# and I am giving the name retrieval. This is the name of my project. Click on OK. Go to the Solution Explorer. Project is created. If Solution Explorer is not visible in your workspace, then you can go to the view and you can select the Solution Explorer. So here we will able to see there is a web config file. This is a configuration file where we can configure the configuration for my web application. So I'm going to create one page and there I will do the insertion. I'm giving the name of that cut to Oracle. Click on add. So when I'm creating the SPX file, there is two files are there. One is oracle.aspx, second is oracle.aspx.cs. This is the code side file. This is we can call this one backend file also. So here we'll design the one form. There we'll insert the data to the Oracle database. So table margin left to margin right to. I want the table to be center of the page. Then table here I will take one label for the error display. So you can select with the toolbox. There is a label. I'm selecting this label LBL. I'm giving the name LBL MSG message. So label message initial text I'm removing. I'm taking H1 user. I'm giving some heading for my boxes. First, I'm creating one text box. So here I will take with the toolbox. I will take the text boxes. Text box is there. Text box. I'm giving the name for that. First, then it is equal to server and placeholder. Enter your first Similarly, I'll create for the second name and email. This one is the last name. This is for the email. So first name, and this is the last name, and this one email. And let me change into a placeholder. This will be visible on inside the box. I need a button for the submitting all the data into the my database. So from here, create the button SBT. I'm giving the name SBT BTL. Submit button for the text SCP and submit. Let me run this one. Before that, I want this one new line. Just breaking. Right click on this and run. View as a browser, or you can run with there also. Yeah, my box is created. Whenever I will click this one, this data should be inserted into my Oracle database. So before that, I have to create the database. So go through my Oracle tutorial where we will create the table space and user. So here I'm going to connect with my local Oracle. So just click on the connection. This I'm using with the SQL Server Developer, Oracle SQL Developer. I'm giving the name local. I'm connecting with the local. Give any name. Chirag local, and my username is Chirag. I already created. Password Chirag. Host name. If you are connecting with the remote, then you have to provide the remote host. IP here. Port I am running with the 51521, and my SID is Oracle ORC. Let me test the connection. Yeah, connection is success. So I'm going to connect with that. Yeah, connected. Now go to the table. I don't have any table till now. So right click on that. Go to the new table. Table name I am giving user info column first name increasing some size. I'm not using any serial or auto increment to primary key in this case. This is for the testing purpose. Now I'm going to click on OK. Yeah, user info is created. Now click on this, go to there, and this is my column detail. There is a data. We don't have any data till now. Data column. Now what we'll do, whenever we'll click in this submit button, data should be inserted. So I have to create the event for that. So here one way we can write the on click, and we can create the new event. And another way, go to your design page, double click on your button, automatically event is created. Go to the source, see, on click automatic event is created. So both the way you can create the event. Now here we need the second, add the Oracle NuGet package to your website, your project to for connecting with the database. So we need that. So right click on your project, go to the NuGet package, browse Oracle. Let me check. Python.NET package. So we need this latest one, not supporting with my system. I'm going with the 12. Click on install. Right, the package installing. Yeah, the bin file is automatically created, and inside the bin there is the Oracle manage data access.dll file. We need the DLL file. I'm going to close the NuGet. Let me check it is working or not. Using Oracle dot manage access dot client. Okay, we need the configuration using, later on we'll do that. We'll connect with the web config file, so we need the configuration using system dot configuration using system dot data. Later on I'll discuss about that. So for web config, I'll write the web configuration here. I have a configuration. I'm just copying that. Creating a connection string. Here I am putting the Oracle configuration. Add name is equal to Oracle const string. I am giving the name, and there is a configuration string. Connection string is there. TCP localhost, and as I told you, my port is 1521, and here my service name is ORCL, user ID is Chirag, password is Chirag, and provider I am giving the Oracle manage data access dot client. Now here I will write the connection. Oracle connection on is equal to new Oracle connection. Here I will the configuration manager dot connection string. Here I will write the connection string name. So my connection string name I have already defined in my web config file. Then copy that connection string. Now I will just open the connection. Open. Between that, I will write the data insertion code. So string insert into user info first underscore name last underscore name at email, which I'll pass here sequence. Command cmd Oracle command, and I'll pass the query comma on. Now I'm going to define the data with the data types. Parameter first parameter name dot db type dot worker 2. First name dot value is equal to first name dot, I'm just reading the value with the button, first underscore name dot txt. So similar I'll do for last name and email address. Email any error, don't have any error till now. So we get the data from form. So now I'm going to add into the parameters. Command dot parameters dot add. Here I'll pass the value in sequence. So first is name, last name, then email ID. All the data is completed. Now I'm going to execute that. cmd dot execute non-query. Now connection is closed. I'm going to write the message lbl message dot text equal to data. If you want to give the some color to the lbl message, then you can give lbl message dot for color equal to system dot drawing dot color dot as per your choice. I'm giving green. Let's see. So my insertion code is completed. I am calling the connection, I am opening the connection, then there is insert query I'm passing to the SQL command, and I am reading all the parameters with the Oracle DB type. Then I'm here parameters is there, then I'm just executing all the things and going to close the connection. Let me refresh this page. Object reference not set to be an object. Let me check. What was the error? Okay. copy access. I'm defining in my way, so I'm removing all the codes. So page is coming. Now let me check into the database. We have nothing. No row, no rows are selected. Let me check with the insertion. Create the table. Image. Data inserted successfully. Now go to the SQL. Let me run this one. Chirag, Mahto, and this is in data is inserted with the database. Now I am going to retrieve that same data from the database. For that, let's take the same table. We using the grid view. So here I'm going to take the grid view. So there is a data inside the toolbox. The grid view is there. In this grid view, I'm going to retrieve the data. So on page load, I'm writing the code. On click also, you can write the code for the retrieve the data. So I'm writing con dot open, going to open the connection here for data adapter ODA Oracle data adapter passing the connection with the same Oracle data adapter. Then we need the data tables, data tables, data table. Now ODA dot fill, pass the data table dt here, then review one, data source, find the let me check here. I'm opening the connection, then I have a data adapter, then data tables. I'm just passing all the value with the retrieve con dot close. Now let me reload this. User information, whatever the data we are inserted, the data is available with this here. Now I'm going to insert one more example.com. Going to submit this. Data inserted successfully. So data is populating. So in all the code will be available with YouTube, and you can download the code from the Chirag.in. So in this video we learned how to insert and retrieve data from Oracle database using ASP.NET C# application. We created the application, we created the NuGet package, NuGet package for the Oracle manage data Oracle access client, and code we written the code behind code for the insertion and retrieve the data from the Oracle database, and all the codes will be available with you. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.